In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF download link to your Mailchimp email. First, open your email campaign. In Mailchimp, head to the left sidebar and click Campaigns. From here, you can open an existing email or create a new one if you're starting fresh. Once you're looking at the campaign details, click Design Email. This opens the email builder where you'll add your content and set up the link. If you're creating a new email, pick your template or layout and wait for the builder to load completely before moving on. Next, add a spot for the link. In the Content panel, drag a paragraph block if you want a text link, or a button block if you prefer a prominent call to action. Place it exactly where you want readers to see it, near the top for quick access, or after a short description for context. Either option works. It just depends on your design and how visible you want the link to be. Now let's upload the PDF and connect it. If you're using a text link, type the words you want to turn into a link, then highlight that text. If you're using a button, click the button to edit it. Click the link icon. In the link options, choose File, then select Upload. Browse your computer, choose your PDF, and confirm. Click Insert. Mailchimp will upload the file to your content library and automatically generate a unique URL for it. This means your readers will be taken directly to the PDF when they click. Make the link text clear and action-oriented. For a text link, use something straightforward like Download PDF. For a button, edit the button label to say Download PDF or View PDF. Clear labels reduce confusion and improve click-through rates. Keep it concise and avoid vague phrases so readers know exactly what to expect. Before sending anything, test the link. Click Preview in the builder to open the email preview, then click the text link or button yourself. Make sure it opens the correct PDF and loads quickly. If something doesn't work, return to the link settings and verify it's pointing to the uploaded file. When everything looks good, save your work. Click Save and Exit to store your changes and return to the campaign overview. That's it. Your email now includes a clean, clickable PDF link ready for your audience.